And welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 23rd to the 27th of February 2026 on Monday. Phakathi surprises Jason and then resigns after Virginia's ultimatum. Petunia collapses from a bleeding ulcer and Tim, under family pressure, breaks up with Tiny on Tuesday. Zolethu has an accident and Phakathi leaves Emnyameni. Sakhile regrets neglecting Petunia and warns Rosemary to stay away, blaming her for Petunia's addiction. Tim is hurt when Tiny ends their relationship on Wednesday. Zolethu fears he hit someone but finds no car damage. Petunia asks Sakhile not to blame Rosemary and apologizes to Mamiki. Mother spreads a false cocaine addict rumor online on Thursday. Despite Thandiswa's warning, Zolethu insists the accident wasn't sinister but is puzzled by the lack of damage. Sakhile wants to handle things professionally, while Petunia chooses to speak only the truth on Friday. Zolethu ignores Thandiswa and Songanga's warning of dark forces. Jason threatens Zolethu while Rosemary confides in Petunia about her husband's cheating. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.